In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove favorites in Outlook. If you want to clean up the favorites section in your Outlook sidebar, this is a very quick process. Favorites are simply shortcuts to folders or items you use often, so removing something from favorites does not delete the actual folder or message. It only removes it from that pinned area, which is helpful to know before you begin. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox view. You should be on the main mail screen where you can see the left-hand navigation panel, your message list, and your reading area. The favorites section is typically located near the top of the folder pane on the left side. This is where Outlook keeps the folders or items you've marked for easier access. Once you're in the inbox and can see the favorites list, move your mouse over the favorite you want to remove. As you hover over it, Outlook will reveal additional options for that item. Look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. These dots usually appear directly beside the favorite, or become visible only when your cursor is over it. So if you don't see them right away, just keep your mouse steady over the item for a moment. When the three-dot menu appears, click it to open the available actions for that favorite. A small drop-down menu will show up with several choices related to that item. From that menu, select Remove from Favorites. As soon as you click Remove from Favorites, the item will disappear from the Favorites section. Again, this does not remove the folder from your mailbox itself. It simply takes it out of the shortcut list, helping keep that section more organized and focused on the items you actually need. If you're cleaning up multiple favorites, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just hover over the next favorite, click the three dots, and choose Remove from Favorites again. It's a simple way to reduce clutter and make your Outlook navigation a little easier. If the layout on your screen looks slightly different, that's usually because of a different Outlook version or window size, but the overall process remains the same. Look for the Favorites area, hover over the item, open the three-dot menu, and remove it from the list. That's all it takes to remove favorites in Outlook.